Okay, I am so tired. I couldn't take the long videos without the editing. I wanted to edit so bad, so I learned how to do that last night. I got an app for my phone and I figured it out, and that's what I've been doing. So, what? This mask is, this mask says those things. Can you see that? It says, in 15 minutes, elastic Q10. After supplying efficient botanical nutrients through a mask for just 15 minutes, irritated and dehydrated skin caused by stress and a harmful environment changes to glowing, healthy skin. So we're going to see if my skin changes after this video. So this is the video that I edited right now. So my phone cut off, but it was taking a little while. This is a smaller brush than the eyeshadow brush that I would normally use to pack this on with. But as you can see, it's freaking green, and I just kind of finished putting this on the other eye. And this needed to be another video anyway because the other one was 30 minutes, and that's just a real long time. So moving on, I'm going to go back with one of these blending brushes because I don't want that to be such a harsh line. It wasn't supposed to be. I just needed to get that green on there first. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to take this color right here, the fluffy brush, and swirling it around. And I'm putting that like directly as much as I can, just on that line. I really should have used a smaller brush probably, but it should stick to that cream shadow and also hopefully blend into some of that up there. I'm putting this right in the crease. I keep hearing people say you're not supposed to put shimmer shades in the crease. Normally I hear that whenever someone's putting a shimmer shade in their crease. They say, I'm going to do this even though I'm not supposed to. So I'm just going to say it again. Nobody's supposed to do anything or not supposed to do anything when it comes to makeup. Probably shouldn't eat it or like put it up your nose or in your eyeball. But as long as we're keeping it on the face, I mean, as far as colors go and the order you do things in, it's really just all a preference on what works well for you, the products that your skin likes, which is not going to be the same for everybody. Okay. I'm going to get the smaller brush. Got some new brushes, and so I need a tutorial on that. What kind of brushes do I use for what kind of stuff? I'm going to use this little brush. Now I get this. Okay. That brush right there is little. And I'm going to make sure it's cleaned off. And I'm going to take one. Ooh. These two colors here, I'm going in between those, kind of just getting both of them on one side of this little brush so I can do under here. Spray this. In the corner a little bit. Stay as close to my lash line as I can with this gold color. And I'm just dabbing it on Also, I've never worn false lashes. That's my next thing I'm gonna do. I actually got some. Probably not the best ones because I did get them from Shop Stay for $1. But I have to say they don't look bad, they don't feel bad. I've never really felt any other ones before, but they seem like they're gonna work. One thing I just didn't anticipate was that the lash glue would be separate. I don't know why I didn't anticipate that. Maybe just because I've never ever done it before. It's never even occurred to me to wear false lashes. I just didn't realize that were just for everyday people. I was not. I wasn't trying to not do that. I just didn't think about it. This little brush is so cute. Look at it. Okay. I'm going to pat around harsh edges. It's very fluffy. I have no idea. It's huge, but there's nothing on it, and I'm just gonna really use it to blend everything together. Try to. Anyway, just gonna buff all the colors out. And try to keep any harsh lines from showing up. I was always taught that I was supposed to wear like just neutral colors, brown. You know, mid-90s, color didn't exist. Everybody was emo. I thought I would just automatically know how to do when I got older. I did not stop at makeup. That I thought I'd know how to cook automatically. There would be an automatic schedule to my day, cleaning wise, and it's not that way. So if anybody's watching this, it still thinks that's that way. Not like that. I'm putting some of that dark green that I'd used earlier back over this gold, but just a little bit. Still want the gold to shine through, just quite so bright. I'm going to use this to put a little pop of color on the inside. It's AOA Wonder Bake Eyeshadow. Sharpness A. Obviously, this video is not sponsored. I know I'm mentioning Sharpness A lot, but that's because I just got some stuff in there and I wanted to try it. And I also wanted to do some videos, and so I'm doing both of those things. I'm using the same color right here. This is my color Seashell. On my waterline, this is white. LA colors. I love glitter.
I love glitter.
I love glitter. It's the AOA Studio Scarlet Liquid Eyeliner in the color Fame. And it's just kind of a bronzy brown color. I thought this might be a little bit darker, but it's definitely working. Well, I hope you liked that. My phone cut off, but it wasn't a terrible time for that to happen. I'll put another video up soon, and it will be edited. It'll be the rest of that one. And I took this mask off. I read the back, and it said to just take it off after 15 minutes and just pat the stuff into your skin, and then put on moisturizer. So, actually, I don't even have to put this on, but I am my Olay. It's my Olay that I can still call oil of Olay, because at least it used to be oil of Olay. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will let you go until my next video.